After continuous pain in the stock market, is the end of the market sell-off near? Well, that's what Emkay believes. If you're wondering where the market's headed next, what sectors and stocks are a good play in this market volatility, watch the video till the end. Despite some near-term volatility, Emkay forecasts a solid rebound by the second half of 2025. In fact, they project the Nifty will hit 25,000 points by December 2025. Emkay believes that Indian equities will experience some near-term weakness and heightened volatility in Q1 of 2025. But don't worry, this is expected to be temporary. What's important here is that Emkay sees a gradual consumption recovery taking shape in the second half of the year. This will be supported by three key factors. Improved employment trends. More jobs could mean more disposable income. A revival in unsecured lending. This means more borrowing for things like personal loan, thus driving consumption. Increased welfare spending. Government spending on welfare schemes could boost household incomes and fuel consumption. Nirav Sheth, CEO of Emkay Global Financial Services, mentions that the current sell-off is part of the typical bottoming process for the market and is usually volatile. But on the flip side, he believes that the macros remain solid, and with the RBI's more accommodative monetary policy, they believe the worst earnings downgrades are behind us. He says it's the time to buy. Looking ahead, Emkay is pretty optimistic and predict that capex growth will slow in FY25, mainly due to election-related spending constraints, but they see a rebound coming in FY26. That's when they expect policy certainty to return, along with growth in green energy, despite challenges in capital-heavy sectors. Emkay expects that discretionary consumption, like spending on retail and entertainment, will recover in 2 or 3 quarters. This could be driven by a rebound in IT hiring, improved liquidity, and better retail lending dynamics. Emkay expects FPI selling to stabilize after March 2025, as valuations have moderated and earning forecasts are likely to bottom out in the next 2 to 3 months. A peak in the US dollar index should also ease concerns about rupee depreciation, which could help stop the FPI selling trend. The RBI's liquidity injection into the market could boost domestic equities, especially benefiting the BFSI sector. Now, since Emkay predicts a rebound to kick in soon, these are some of the sectors they are bullish on: discretionary consumption, real estate, and healthcare. Meanwhile, they are neutral on IT, industrials, and energy, and they are underweight on financials, staples, and materials due to concerns over structural challenges and valuation pressures. In this current market volatility, these are some of the stocks that Emkay is bullish on: large cap, Lupin, Zomato, Tata Motors, IndusInd Bank; mid caps, Escorts, Paytm, and Metropolis; small cap, Stovecraft and Quest Corp;